sir. I'm Geraldine Corpuz from Bshm 2C, and for today's video, I'll be presenting my solution about the given mathematical problem. So before we evaluate the given mathematical problem, we will first identify the equivalent of x sub 1 to x sub 10. So x sub 1 equals to 2, x sub 2 equals to negative 5, x sub 3 equals to 7, x sub 4 equals to 10, x sub 5 equals to negative 9, x sub 6 equals to negative 8, x sub 7 equals to negative 7, x sub 8 equals to 12, x sub 9 equals to 4, and x sub 10 equals to negative 9. And now we will evaluate the given mathematical problem. Negative 4 times the summation of x sub n squared minus 10 as n goes from 1 to 6 minus the summation of 4x sub n squared plus x sub n cubed minus 15 as n goes from 7 to 10 minus the summation of x sub n minus 14 as n goes from 1 to 10. So we will now simplify. Negative 4 times x sub 1 squared minus 10 plus x sub 2 squared minus 10 plus x sub 3 squared minus 10 plus x sub 4 squared minus 10 plus x sub 5 squared minus 10 plus x sub 6 squared minus 10 minus 4x sub 7 squared plus x sub 7 cubed minus 15 plus 4x sub 8 squared plus x sub 8 cubed minus 15 plus 4x sub 9 squared plus x sub 9 cubed minus 15 plus 4x sub 10 squared plus x sub 10 cubed minus 15. And in the third summation, x sub 1 minus 14 plus x sub 2 minus 14 plus x sub 3 minus 14 plus x sub 4 minus 14 plus x sub 5 minus 14 plus x sub 6 minus 14 plus x sub 7 minus 14 plus x sub 8 minus 14 plus x sub 9 minus 14 plus x sub 10 minus 14. So now we will answer in the first solution here, the first summation. So negative 4, the equivalent of x sub 1 equals to 2, so we will distribute the 2 here. So negative 4 times 2 squared minus 10 plus the equivalent of x squared is negative 5, so we will distribute it here. So negative 5 squared minus 10 plus 7 squared minus 10 plus 10 squared minus 10 plus negative 9 squared minus 10 plus 8 squared minus 10. Then in the second summation, 4 times negative 7 squared plus negative 7 cubed minus 15 plus 4 times 12 squared plus 12 cubed minus 15 plus 4 times 4 squared plus 4 cubed minus 15 plus 4 times negative 9 squared plus negative 9 cubed minus 15. In the third summation, 2 minus 14 plus negative 5 minus 14 plus 7 minus 14 plus 10 minus 14 plus negative 9 minus 14 plus 8 minus 14 plus negative 7 minus 14 plus negative 12 minus 14 plus 4 minus 14 plus negative 9 minus 14. So we will answer the first solution here. So negative 4 times 4 minus 10 plus 25 plus 10 plus 49 minus 10 plus 100 minus 10 plus 81 minus 10 plus 64 minus 10. In the second, 4 times 49 plus negative 343 minus 15 plus 4 times 144 plus 1,728 minus 15 plus 4 times 16 plus 64 minus 15 plus 4 times 81 plus negative 729 minus 15 minus negative 12 plus negative 19 plus negative 7 plus negative 4 plus negative 23 plus negative 22 plus negative 21 plus negative 2 plus negative 10 plus negative 23. And now we will distribute the negative 4 into the given numbers like this. So negative 4 times 4 equals to negative 16. Negative 4 times negative 10 equals to positive 40. Plus negative 4 times 25 equals to negative 100. Negative 4 times 10 equals to 40. And negative 4 times 49 equals to negative 196. Negative 4 times 10 equals to positive 40. Plus negative 4 times 100 equals to negative 400. Then negative 4 times negative 10 equals to positive 40. Plus negative 4 times negative 4 times 81 equals to negative 324. Then negative 4 times 10 and negative 10 equals to 40. Then negative 4 times 64 equals to negative 256. And negative 4 times negative 10 equals to 40. Then here 4 times 49 equals to 196 plus negative 343 minus 15 equals to negative 358 plus and 4 times 144 equals to 576. 1728 minus 15 equals to 1713. Then 4 times 16 equals to 64. Then 64 minus 15 equals to 49. Then 4 times 81 equals to 324. Then negative 729 minus 15 equals to negative 744. And the third summation here is negative 12 plus negative 19 plus negative 7 plus negative 4 plus negative 23 plus negative 22 plus negative 21 plus negative 2 plus negative 10 plus negative 23 equals to negative 143. Solution. Negative 16 plus 40 equals to 24. Negative 100 plus 40 equals to negative 60. And negative 196 plus 40 equals to negative 156. And negative 400 plus 40 equals to negative 360 plus negative 324 plus 40 equals to negative 284. And negative 256 plus 40 equals to negative 216. Then 196 plus negative 358 equals to negative 162. Plus 576 plus 1713 equals to 2289. Then 64 plus 49 equals to 113. Then 324 plus negative 744 equals to 420. Then the answer here, so here's solution is we just combined all the answer of each summation. In the first summation, I get the answer negative 1052. And the second summation, I got the answer 1820. And the third summation, I got the answer negative 143. So, negative 1052 minus 1820 minus negative 143 is equals to negative 2729. And that's my final answer. So I hope you understand my presentation, sir. Thank you.